Good Thursday morning, everybody. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and we are here this morning to wish everybody a very happy Thanksgiving. Hope everyone out there is having a great day. Hope you're enjoying time with your family, with your friends, fixing to eat a bunch of turkey, maybe some ham, maybe some tamales, if you're down here from the South. All kinds of good food, and just spend time with your family.
Yes. And of course, don't forget to gobble till you wobble.
Every year with the gobble till you wobble. But again, we just want to wish everybody a very happy Thanksgiving. Now, before we go, I've been practicing. I have a magic trick that I am going to share with you guys. You guys ready? I am going to turn Tiffany into a turkey. Y'all ready? You ready to be a turkey?
I'm ready to be a turkey.
Are you sure? I'm going to leave you as a turkey, and then we're going to head towards the oven.
It is kind of chilly outside, so...
All right, so here we go. You guys ready? On a count of 3, we're going to turn Tiffany into a turkey. 1, 2, 3.
I think your magic trick backfired because you're the turkey.
Well, that didn't work out the way I thought it was supposed to. Y'all have a happy Thanksgiving.
Gobble till you wobble.